What's up, everybody? How you doing? This is week number 3, the end. Though I'm a little late, it's Monday. I should have taped this Saturday, but Saturday was week 3 of our program, and we are moving right along. And I am happy to say, even though I told y'all I wasn't gonna weigh myself, but I did. I got some batteries for my scale, because I told y'all the scale was tripping. It wasn't me. But anyway, it looks like I've lost like 7 to 10 pounds. Remember when I told you the scale was tripping and I was getting different numbers? Well, I reported the lower number, but the other number, according to that one, now I am at 322. So that means I lost like 7 or 10 pounds, according to which number I want to use. And so it's kicking in, baby. It's starting to work. See, I told y'all I am determined this time. I'm gonna keep it going. I messed up a little bit and ate some French fries the other day, but like I told you, I'm not doing the oh my god, I messed up, so it's over. I just can't do this. No, that girl brain. If I messed up, I messed up. Keep on pushing the rest of the way. Now, what I really zeroed in on in week 3 was making sure that I did some kind of movement every single day. I didn't quite make my 2,000 steps every day, usually very close, like 19, whatever, whatever. So I didn't quite make it every single day, but most days I did. And I didn't exactly do all of my exercises every day either. So that is going to be the push for this week, is making sure I do my 30 minutes of exercise in addition to the steps. Because, see, I've been using the steps as part of my, the whole workout routine or whatever, and that's fine. However, I'm going to try to make sure I do more than that. And with my Fitbit, it has a function in it where it will chronicle when my heart rate stays at a cardio level for a sustained amount of time. If it does it for 10 minutes, then that's when it'll start keeping track of it to make sure that I stayed in that state at that cardio level for 10 minutes or more. Because if you don't do the whole 10 minutes, it ain't even going to check you. So that is the next goal. And remember, I told you, see, you doing a little bit at a time. This intermittent fasting is really helping. So like I told you, I have a 6-hour window that I eat within. And if I'm not hungry, I won't eat until I do. And if it's, I know I have to eat something, because like I told you, I'm diabetic, so I have to take a shot every time I eat. So, even if it's just the one time, then at least I got something in, and then I already know I'm going to be hungry the rest of the time. That's why I try to eat something all the time. And I am also switching off on having meat one day and being vegetarian, not eating meat the next day. And that is helping as well, because usually it's the days with the meat that you're going to pile up with a whole bunch of sides that can be your downfall. But what I've been really sticking on is when I eat a meat, I'm eating a vegetable, and that's it. Okay, that's why I was fiending for those fries, and I just ate them and then went on by my business. Now I'm right back on it the next day. When I messed up, I ate one vegetarian meal that day to kind of make up for it. So it's like, okay, you're gonna mess up, then I'm gonna penalize you, and you only can have one meal, and it's gonna be all vegetables. And that's what I did. And I have fallen in love with spaghetti squash. That's what I use kind of as my way of putting some noodles in my vegetable stir fries. I use the spaghetti squash, so you already know it's a vegetable as well. So you get the feeling And then what I do is I eat it in a bowl. See, like I told you, with fat girl brain, you gotta think of different ways to trick yourself to make you feel like you really sticking to it and you really eating what you want. So basically, with my stir fries, I put them in a nice sized bowl so it looks like I'm eating a ton of food. Okay, fat girl brain. I got a full fat girl brain. Okay, so that's what I do. I make it seem like I done ate a lot more than was really there. And y'all already know you can eat a big load of vegetables and it's no calories hardly. So you can feel full. You can trick the brain and feel like you really didn't ate something, which ultimately means you're not gonna be as hungry later on, because it's all in your mind. A lot of this stuff is in your mind, and I am just getting to the point where when I feel hunger, that's gonna be my friend. Instead of food being my friend, my hunger gonna be my friend. And I already, if I done lost 10 pounds, hey, okay, and I'm gonna keep it going. Now stuff gonna go up and down. Like I said, I'm gonna try not to weigh myself again until in October, because when I weigh myself again, I want to be done lost a significant amount. So to catch up then this week, you know, the end of week 3 was motivating movement. That's gonna be the title of this one, that I really made a conscious effort to make sure I was moving enough. And for the next week, that's really what I'm gonna work on. Every week I try to do something, perfect something. So before it was getting my schedule together and getting a intermittent fasting together. Now it's going to be exercise. I'm going to take the next couple of weeks to really focus on moving and getting the exercise and getting my heart rate up at a good cardio level, so I can start getting those minutes in of really working hard. And ultimately my goal with that is to get to 30 minutes of making sure my cardio stays within the fat burning cardio beats enough. So, and then that's something else that you could go and calculate, like how many beats per minute do you need to get your heart up to according to your fitness level and your age, body size, whatever. They got calculators for that, so you'll know what is a good heart rate you need to be working toward and sustaining for a set amount of time. Like I said, I'm gonna work toward keeping it at that amount for 30 minutes. That's gonna be good. So right now, if I can start out with 5 minutes, making sure at least I get it there and keep it there 5 minutes, and my Fitbit is gonna calculate that, and I'll start seeing some progress with that. Like I told y'all, we gotta do this little by little so you don't burn yourself out and get discouraged or whatever. So I can keep my heart rate up at that level for 5 minutes. I know I can do that. So that's what I'm getting ready to really start working on, and making sure everything is taken care of. So I hope everything is going well with you all. I've been using my Eat This Much meal plans. I've gotten some great recipes on there that I made that are really good, and it's keeping the food variety going. And so once again, like I said, look below, go sign up. I signed up for it, and so you can really have an easy thing to help you keep your food in order, so you can keep within your calories, so you can start doing a deficit, but it's good food and good meals that will keep you interested and keep a variety, so you're not eating the same thing, you're not eating a salad every day and getting bored. Okay, so anyway, that's it for this week. Yay, girlfriend down 10. What y'all doing? And go on to the Facebook group that's linked below too. Join in there, give me your progress, let me know how you doing, and let's do this, people. We doing it, sisters, and the group is growing too, so let's keep that going. And I will see y'all next week. Bye.